Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So before I start the reading, I would like to share with you all that we are coming up with our next event very soon, which will be completely based on Diwali. And also I have started my preparations with the upcoming Ashtalakshmi workshop, where we will be bringing in most powerful forms of Lakshmi ji and a lot of things. Also details I will share. Many people have been asking me, but my schedule has become such that sometimes I just forget to reply to the messages. So I thought, why not, let me just share here today. And the MOH Worldwide Healers Association event is also coming, so stay tuned for the details and stay tuned for the events. A lot of good topics we will be sharing there. So let's start with what is in the cards for you today. I don't know, randomly two cards came out. Okay, let me just show you those cards. So the first card is the first card is actually the Three of Pentacles, and the second card is the King of Swords. Now if you see here closely, there is someone watching over you. That is what I feel, because I always say don't go by what a standard card says, but if you see here, someone is closely watching over what you're doing, how you're doing. But if you see another closer image, if you see here, there is a unicorn type or a dragon type. So whatever you're doing today, just go with the flow. Don't worry about what people will think or what others will think. Just be aware of what you're doing. Just be careful with what you're doing. Rest, just surrender to the God, surrender to the divine. Then I'm sure things will fall in place. And I feel work related, you will be more busy and more stressed out today. Maybe this card is indicating some person who's trying to watch what you're doing and try to harm you in any way, but your angels, your dragon is guiding you and supporting you, so you don't have to worry. Now the next card that came out was the King of Swords. Again, if you see here, the King of Swords is victorious, right? You see him, he has a sword in his hand, not as if he's attacking, but as if he has completed his work and he is happy and he's looking out that I'm ready for more. So today, overall, when I see both these cards, I feel you will have a beautiful day ahead. You will handle all your work beautifully. You will handle all your tasks or your projects or everything beautifully. And maybe some of you will be happy that you have got the desired results. But I would just want to pick up one more card just to see what is the other card coming. And that's a beautiful card, Ace of Swords. So you will soar high. So your work is going to be good. So don't bother about who's watching, what they're saying. Technically, you will rock it today, and it will be a beautiful day and an awesome day when it comes to work. Now coming to the color, today wear the color orange, because I feel it's more of work related day today. So wear the color orange. If possible, in the morning, take some cinnamon powder and add it in your lamp, the daily lamp that you burn, and burn it intending that the day will be abundant and prosperous. Also in the morning, if you have the time, or in the evening once you come back, hear the Shri Suktam, because Shri Suktam will make the day powerful, and it will also make the days to come more filled with abundance. Last but not the least, if possible in the evening, just sit under the moon and just look at the moon and take the blessings from the moon for the upcoming week to be prosperous. If possible, when you're sitting under the moon, just keep the Kubera Mudra and sit there for 10 minutes, and you will find beautiful difference in the upcoming week. So hope you all loved the reading. Do let me know how you liked it, and do let me know whether you would want me to bring some more amazing tips like this, so that I can bring in more and more. Have a beautiful and an awesome blessed day ahead. Thank you.